See the students, the continuation of the fraction as a division of a fractions, whole number by a fraction. So whole number with the fractions, how we can divide the numbers. See, before going to division, I want to introduce a one word as a reciprocal. You have studied it. Reciprocal means it is a reverse. If it is in the numerator, in the denominator, reverse process. Write in the numerator to denominator, denominator to numerator. It is called as a reciprocal of number. So if it is a reciprocal of number, then write the reciprocal of 1 by 2 means, see, 1 is as in the numerator, denominator as a 2. So reciprocal of 1 by 2 is reverse process, 2 by 1. Reverse. Numerator to denominator, we have to change the number. That is only the reciprocal. Okay. Then what is the reciprocal of 4 by 6? The reciprocal is, so reciprocal is 6 by 4. See, we have a denominator and numerator. We can change it directly. Then what about reciprocal of 2? See, just now I said 2 we can write as a 2 by 1. If it is true means the reciprocal of 2 is 1 by 2. Because 2 we can write as 2 by 1 means the reciprocal is 1 by 2. And one more thing, we should not write 2 as 1 by 2. We have to mention as a reciprocal of 2 is 1 by 2. Like this we have to mention whenever they ask write the reciprocals of given number. It is there in the exercise, students. Clearly you must study it. Okay. Reciprocal of 5 by 6 is, so reciprocal of 5 by 6 is 6 by 5. Like this you have to write. Sometimes they may ask like this. Reciprocal of 2 and 3 by 4. How we can write? That is nothing but write the improper fraction. 2 4s are 8 plus 11 by 4 it is. So now we have to write the reciprocal of 11 by 4 is 4 by 11. Like this we have to write it. Why it is necessary, I will going to tell. See, easily we cannot divide the whole number by fraction or a fraction by fraction. So we have to convert the division sign to multiplication sign by writing the reciprocal. Of which number reciprocal? First number or next number? So the sign after number. The after sign, division sign. So where it is? See the question. 12 divided by 3 by 4 is there. So sign after which fraction is there? 3 by 4. So sign after 3 by 4 means 3 by 4 reciprocal we have to take. Reciprocal of 3 by 4 is 4 by 3. So that we have to write. How it is? So 12 I have written as a 12 by 1. 3 by 4 as it is. So reciprocal of 3 by 4 is 4 by 3. So in place of division sign, I want to write the multiplication so that this number reciprocal we have to write. So 3 by 4 reciprocal 4 by 3 we have to write. When you are changing the multiplication to division to multiplication, we have to write the reciprocal. Okay, clear? So take the reciprocal of the number, then we can write the multiplication sign. Otherwise not necessary to write. It is not rule at all. Now as it is, you know the multiplication rule. How it is? Numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator, multiplication you can take, or else numerator to denominator you can cancel. How I cancelled here? See here, 12 by 1, 4 by 3 was there, 3 1s are and 12, 3 1s are, 3 4s are. So 4 into 4, 16, 1 into 1, it is 16 by 1. It gives us 16 here. So see the second question of division. Just now I said don't forget to multiplication, because there is no division processes in the fraction. So we have to make it as a multiplication, division to multiplication, by taking the reciprocal, the sign after fraction. Okay, so here also 5 division 3 and 4 by 7 is there. So first we have to convert the 3 and 4 by 7 as a improper fraction. So it is 27 by 5. Sorry, 25 by 7. 5 I have written as a 5 by 1. So next sign next. So we cannot divide it easily. So what I should do? I should convert this division as a multiplication, means I should change this reciprocal. So I have to take the reciprocal of 25 by 7. So reciprocal of 25 by 7 is 7 by 25. So then I can write the 5 by 1 into 7 by 21 here. So 5 by 1 into 7 by 25. So again 5 denominator 1 cancel. Here 5 5s are 25. So 5 1s are 5 5s are. So 1 into 7 7. 1 into 5 5. So 7 by 5 here. So see the next third question. Find 7 by 3 division 2. Just now I said that we have no idea to divide directly, so that we can multiply. So if you want to multiply, so we have to if you want to convert division to multiplication, just take the sign after fraction reciprocal. So reciprocal of the given number. So first, before that, we have to convert the fractions. 7 by 3 divided by 2 I have written as a 2 by 1. So reciprocal of sign after fraction only we have to take, not before. First one write as it is only, it will not change again. First one keep it as it is. Then reciprocal of 2 is 1 by 2. So because 2 by 1, reciprocal is 1 by 2. Okay, then reciprocal of 2, then division to multiplication, if it went, means reciprocal we have to write 1 by 2. Then 7 by 3 into 1 by 2 gives 7 into 1 7, 3 into 2 6. So 7 by 6 we can write it as a 1 and 1 by 6 here. So let's go for the next question. Find 4 and 3 by 7. 4 and 3 by 7 divided by 7. So write the mixed fraction as an improper first. Whatever may be the operation, it may be addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So convert as improper first. So 4 into 7, 28. So 28 plus 3 is 31. So 31 by 7 it is. So division 7 as it is I have written. So next we cannot divide. So take the division operation to multiplication by taking the reciprocal after the division sign. 7, reciprocal of 7 is 1 by 7, because it is 7 by 1, reciprocal gives 1 by 7. So same as it is first one, as it is only we have taken 1 by 7 with multiplication. 31 into 1 31, for 7 into 7 49. So this is your multiplication by a whole number of fraction. Now the division of a fraction by fraction. So fraction by fraction is very easy to convert the reciprocals or write the reciprocals here. Same process, division to multiplication only we have to convert by taking the reciprocals, that sign after division. Fraction we have to take the reciprocal. So see the first question, find 4 by 9 divided by 2 by 3. That means 4 by 9 as it is only I have written. Okay, then I have converted division to multiplication, means I have taken the reciprocal of 2 by 3 is 3 by 2. So multiplication 3 by 2. Now we can cancel or multiply numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. We can cancel, multiply, but I have cancelled here for the easy process. So here 4 by 9 was there. So by these and these I have cancelled by 2, because 4 and 2 come in the common table 2. So 2 ones are 2 twos are. See, some students make mistake here. How it is, I'll show. Instead of by taking 2 only, 4 ones are 9 ones are. Like this will cancel. It is a wrong method. If you are going to cancel numerator and denominator, by the same number you must cancel. Here I am cancelling by the 2 only. 2 ones are 2 twos are itself. So it gives a, again, but if you want to cancel these 3 and 9, 3 and 9 come in the common table 3. So 3 ones are 3 threes are. So now again 2 into 1, 3 into 1. So it gives a 2 by 3 here. I hope you understand. Separately I have cancelled here. First by 2, again by 3 I have cancelled. You can check. Don't cancel separate numerator and denominator. Okay. There's so many students make mistake here. By the same common table you have to cancel the numerator and denominator at once. Not 2 times. Or 2 numerator, 1 denominator, not necessary. See the second, 3 and 1 by 5 divided by 1 and 2 by 3. So here both are mixed fraction. First convert it as an improper fraction. It gives 16 by 5 and 5 by 3. Same with the division sign. So if it is division, we must convert as a multiplication. So first keep the first fraction as it is. Change the second fraction 5 by 3 by taking the reciprocal of 5 by 3. So 5 by 3 reciprocal is 3 by 5. So write the 3 by 5 with the multiplication. So now you cannot cancel the numerator and denominator because there is no common multiple which we can cancel. 16 and 5 we cannot cancel because there is no, both numbers are not there in any other table. So 3 and 5 also prime numbers, we cannot cancel each other. So we can multiply the numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator as a 48 by 25. Then 48 by 25 we can write as a mixed fraction. 25 ones are 25. So 1 as a whole, remaining is 23 by 5. So this is about the division of a whole number by a fraction, division of a fraction by fraction. So I have chosen the examples from the exercise itself. So remaining exercise you must solve by yourself. Okay, I'll give you the answers later. You can check by that. So practice more, student. Until you practice, it will not come. See how so many maximum number of times you have to practice, students. Okay, how much you'll practice, that much knowledge you can get by the maths practice. Okay, thank you.